Hi, and welcome to the Colossyan Video Learning Center. In this video, we will cover everything related to AI avatars and voiceovers, and how you can make the most of them in your projects. Let's dive in. Colossyan offers an extensive library of professional AI avatars and voices, available in more than 70 languages. If you'd like to personalize your videos, you can also record avatars of yourself and your team, as well as create voices from your own voice recordings. If all you need is a voice cloning, you can add it using the button at the top in the voice library. All you need to do is record yourself reading out any text for about a minute, and your voice clone will be ready to use in seconds. And you can use it in 30 different languages. If you want an avatar of yourself or your team member, you have two options. You can either record it yourself using your phone or camera, which takes less than 5 minutes, or you can get it professionally recorded in a green screen studio, which takes a few weeks to prepare, but results in studio quality footage. We recommend trying out the first method first, as it's easy to try and experiment with. You can do it yourself by creating an instant avatar. For more instructions, check out our video on instant avatars. Now, if you want to use an avatar and voice from our library, you can choose any of the professional AI avatars and voices available in your plan. We have two types of stock avatars: Studio and Scenario. Studio avatars can have any background and work best for longer videos or product demos with a bubble view. Scenario avatars are avatars that already have relevant backgrounds and work best for videos that require more realism and immersion. When selecting an avatar, you can filter avatars out by gender, ethnicity, profession, as well as additional features such as being able to add a company logo or create a conversational video with the avatars looking at each other. By the way, that last feature is called Side View. Do try it out. You can preview how each avatar talks before selecting them, so make sure to check out a few of them before choosing your video's presenter. Studio avatars can be placed in shoulder view, full body view, and bubble view, with some of them also having side views. There are other beta features available for some studio avatars, such as hand gestures and logo addition. You can see the avatars that support those in the avatar filtering menu. Those special features usually require the avatar to be in shoulder view and can't be previewed before you generate the video. But you can already try these features out and see if they can help with your projects. Company logos can be added as soon as you add the avatar to your scene, and all you need to do is upload your logo and save it. This feature is only available to enterprise creators. Hand gestures can be useful for highlighting specific parts of your scene by pointing at them, as well as for demonstrating a reaction, such a thumbs up. Make sure to have enough space in the script for the hand gesture to work well. If you don't have enough text, you can also add a pause. Next up, it's time to talk about voices. Each avatar in the library has a pre-selected default voice, but you can easily change it by clicking on their voice and selecting any other voice in our library. Voices can also be filtered out, so if you want to find a specific language, tone, or even emotions, then you can set those as filters in the voice library. To get the best quality narration, make sure to always preview your voiceovers and fine-tune them where needed. You can add special pronunciations and pauses, which make it easier for your narration to be natural and correct. If you struggle with any pronunciations, try spelling the word differently. We have a help article with a list of recommendations that can help. When writing your scripts, remember that they're not text documents, but voiceovers. So it's best to keep your narration simple and similar to real speech, as opposed to technical writing. Start your video with an intro speech and end with a call to action or an outro speech, like thanking your audience. If you need ideas, you can use the AI writing assistant to help with your scripts. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Here at Colossyan, new avatars and voices get added regularly, so make sure to check out the platform for new additions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!